Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Toyota Sienna. First, gather your supplies: new engine oil, a fresh oil filter, a drain pan, and the correct wrench. Always ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool before starting. Next, locate both the oil drain plug and the oil filter housing underneath the vehicle. Once prepared, place your drain pan directly under the oil drain plug. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly. Let all the old engine oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes several minutes, so be patient and ensure the flow stops before proceeding. After the oil has drained, remove the old oil filter and install a new one, ensuring the gasket is properly seated. Then, securely replace the drain plug, tightening it to the manufacturer's specifications to prevent leaks. Finally, add the recommended amount of new engine oil through the fill cap, typically around 4.5 quarts for this model. With the new oil in, start your engine and let it run for a minute, then check for any leaks around the drain plug and filter. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, and then verify the oil level on the dipstick. Top off if needed. Also, remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.